Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your second week of June read starting from the 8th through the 14th of June 2021. This reading is going to be for the sign of Leo. So let's see how this week is going to be for you guys. Before I dive into the read, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may and it may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Leos, let's find out how this week is gonna be for you guys. You might be in suffering and pain of some kind. It can be in love, it can be otherwise as well. You are feeling down, low or something. But it's the energies can be shifted to something positive. It's more of it gets hard at times, but if you try something different, um, or if you try something to get yourself busy with, you will feel better. You will feel good again. I feel like whatever it is that is causing you stress is because you are overthinking about something. Let's take more cards now. Knight of Swords. You might be thinking about somebody said so and so and this happened. Instead of thinking about all those things which are making you feel even more aggressive and even more bad, it's better if you just let things be and try to get yourself busy doing something else. Because I do see you arguing with someone. I do see you kind of picking up unnecessary um, fight with someone. It can be a person in love, it can be a person in work life situation as well. So try avoid that. Then we do have a star, the death. Wow. So maybe you are gonna pick up a fight with your person and then you're gonna end the connection with your specific someone, thinking that they always do this, they always do that. Now again, if you could switch your focus from them to something else, something better, you would feel good. But somehow you fail to do that, and maybe something is gonna end in the very beginning of the week, and but somehow this was how it was supposed to happen. This was something how it was meant to happen, so you could readjust your time focus to better things, better situations as of now. The change was a must. The situation is going to change your attitude towards a specific someone, whoever it is that is bothering you right now, whatever whoever it is that is, maybe their unavailability is causing you a lot of trouble right now. That could be the case for some of you as well, or maybe them sticking to you a bit too heavily is also could be, or could be also like one of the reasons as well for some of you. So whatever it is, whatever it has been, or whatever it was, because I feel like it happened in the very beginning of the week time. For a majority of you might have already dealt with it. Maybe right now you are in no communication or the ending has happened, but it's good for the connection is what I'm picking up, because somehow the universe is helping you um, understand the connection better. Not just that, the universe is basically trying to, either one of you in this connection has been very giving, and the universe has been like, oh my god, like you cannot learn until unless this happens, this breakup happens, this time apart happens. That's exactly why this breakup time apart is happening for you in this week time. It's going to change your attitude towards this person, towards the love life situation overall. You're going to feel more confident in yourself, where you're going to realize that okay fine, you don't have to put more effort into this person, this situation, this connection. Why? Because once your person is ready, once they understand you, or once they are open to understand you, things will get better itself. So it's going to be more of that time where you are basically being taken towards what you have asked for, but maybe not the way you expected, basically. So eventually you're going to get what you wanted. That's exactly what I said. So, but yes, I feel like the control of the connection is now in the hands of God. So maybe for some of you, or for majority of you, you have surrendered the connection to the divine. On the deck again, the Three of Swords. It might be painful right now for some of you. You might be dealing with the detachment, separation, and you are unable to understand that. But I hope after watching this, you're gonna understand. Plus, your person's attitude is going to definitely change as well. So let's take more cards. Let's see what else do we have for the Leos for this week time. Okay, two cards wants to come up. First is time. you are trying too hard. Give it time. For some of you, you might have been trying so very hard to make things work, to fix things in this connection. Maybe you were trying to tell your person, maybe you were trying to make them understand a few things, and then you're gonna feel like, oh my god, why do I need to do that? So maybe, like I said, for some of you, either you or the person that you are dealing with could have been over giving in this connection, and now the universe is telling you to take a time off, just relax, cool yourself, calm yourself, and everything will be sorted out when the time is right. So just relax. Then we do have accept. Criticizing one another will only lead to further unhappiness. Love and accept each other as you are, and your relationship will magically transform. It's very important in this connection, because I feel like, with you picking up argument, fight, situations like this, it's always better if you accept the person the way they are. What if they were never supposed to change? Would you still be with them? Yes or no? Just answer it for yourself and take actions accordingly. Do decide what do you need to do next accordingly. For some of you, you would feel the need to leave the person on their own, and you take your time off from this connection. Why? Because maybe you're gonna feel like, you deserve better. So you might be feeling the need to move on, you might be feeling the need to pull away from this person, so they give into this connection as well at this time. So let's see what else could be happening for the Leos in this week time. And I feel like, as you pulled away, as you chose to or choose to pull away from this connection and let this person be, things will get better. For some of you, could be dealing with Pisces, Scorpio as well. The divine timing, like I said earlier, is definitely working in this connection. Let's take more cards here. Let's see what else is happening in this connection, or for this week time for you guys. Let's see what else is happening. What else is the guidance here? Seven of Winter. There's a better choice. Not seeing things clearly. Running away from the truth. You might feel that, your person is unable to see the way things can be dealt. They don't see that we can make it happen, we can make it work. It can be your energy towards your person, it can be their energy towards you as well. If you are the one who is like, not giving into the connection, and they are the one choosing to walk away from you or move on from you, they might feel that you don't understand a thing when it comes to this connection. So they would feel like, maybe they can choose somebody else. Like, there is this need to move on coming from either side of the either side of the connection, you or them. But I don't see that. It's more of the momentarily thought that you would have, or your person will have towards you, towards the connection. In actuality, nothing is gonna go anywhere. Like, you are gonna stay with them, they are gonna stay with you. But yes, this time apart was much needed in this connection. Let's see what the charms has to add to the read. I do see that there will be a time apart in this connection between the two of you. For some of you, you might choose to walk away from this person and plan a travel for yourself away from this person, so you don't think much about this person as well. Maybe you can travel with your friends and family. Maybe you can, just choose to, it can be just roaming around in the city or in the town or in the country. Maybe you're going to choose to, travel away from where this person is, just to relax your mind, just to calm yourself up. Dream, love, hope, and trust. You need to dream big when it comes to this connection. If you really want it to work, you need to stay hopeful, positive, and feel the love around you all the time. We do have the X, we do have the F, and U. So these could be the name initials of the person that you are dealing with as well, or it could be your name initial as well. So, but yes, I feel like, it's time for you to relax. It's time for you to chill right now in your life. Why? Because the moment you do that, you will start feeling better about yourself. Plus, this connection will start moving forward as well. Because right now, seems like this is a must. This small little ending within this connection is a must right now, for your person to understand. Or if you are the person and there is this other person who wants things to get fixed with you, and you are the one who is not understanding the connection, maybe it's high time that you understand this connection. And as they do pull themselves away, somebody is definitely pulling themselves away to get this connection moving forward. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care, bye.